Hello, welcome back. It's long time no see, I guess. As you can see, I updated to Windows 11. It's not out yet. I think it comes out in 6 days, something like that. But, I updated to Windows 11. It comes out in 6 days, but I just figured, why not just get the Insider Edition? It looks really cool. And plus, since there's only 6 days left, might as well. Um, because it's going to be less buggy than if I got it like a month ago. Pretty cool animations and stuff. Graphically, visually, really nice. Um, Especially File Explorer, look at this. Um, so, I got AirPod Pros, I guess that's one new thing. It's really nice, actually. I love the stereo, the spatial stereo, and then the spatial audio. That's insane and crazy good. They are glitchy though, and I dropped one in soup by accident, but it's really good upgrade. I waited a year to get it, but just I was still trying to figure out what if I wanted to. But anyways, I did some progress on Markus. I named the voice assistant. So the prototype I was making was called Mark, and the final version is Markus. So I'm still developing it, but so far I've got the basic stuff done. For example, it says Markus is awake. Now I need to change it so that here, you know what? Let me just show you. So let's just say I say hello Markus, and I say hi Markus, right? Now if I say hi Markus, it will have connected the neurons between hi Markus and hello Markus both ways. So when I say hi Markus, it's going to say hello Markus. So that's not how it's actually going to be, but I just needed to make sure the memorization system worked. And if I of course say hello Markus, it'll say hi Markus and you haven't spoken before, just because that's a memorized neuron. I need to fix that. It shouldn't be saying this, but I know how to fix it, and I know why it's happening, and it just shouldn't be there. But the important part is that it says hi Markus right here. It just shows that it memorized it. I can of course do this, and I can say die lol, or like hello my man. And it doesn't return anything because it just memorized those, but it did link those two. So when I say die lol, it'll say hi Markus, hello my man. And when I say die, or not die lol, hello my man. Oh no, I put hello my man. I don't know. That was weird. Anyways, let's say die lol. And of course I can say like hi Markus, and then it'll state hello Markus and die lol, because it just connects the previous and the next thing you said. It's like a memorization system. It's basically the equivalent of when you say something and then that person asks you. No, it's like you say, "Hello, my name's Lorcan," and then you also say, let's say, "And I like soccer," and then that guy says, "Oh, you like soccer? Sorry, what did you say before that?" And then that before that is the connection. So I did add another feature. When I do .d/debug toggle, you can see it just turned on debug mode. So now it does the same thing. However, it just adds some information after it. So you can see it says debug hello Markus, and then it states the confidence rate. Right now I have everything at 5%. I need to implement the confidence rate system still. But you can see that it saves what mode you're on. You can see it's on debug mode. And if I just set it back to set it back to the regular mode. You can see I turn it off, and now when I say hi Marcus, it just does it regularly. Now the saving system, I'm just using this debug.txt. That just states whether it's false or whether it's on or off. There's gonna be a few more things in it. Sorry, I hope you saw that. Let's go over that again. So, hello Marcus. Hi Marcus. When it returns nothing, that means it's memorizing that, and say hi Marcus again, and you can see it states back hello Marcus. Say hello Marcus. Shows hi Marcus and you haven't spoken before. Ignore this. I need to remove that feature. That and what else? Oh yeah, just to make sure you saw it, .d/debug toggle. That turns it on. Now when I say, let's say, hi Marcus, you can see it shows it in debug mode. It states what was said, and along with the confidence rate, which is currently incorrect because I haven't put in the confidence rate system. Which probably means that for now, I should just, if you can see that, I should just put in -1. Just as a reminder that it's wrong. So let's run it again, and you can see that Marcus will still be in debug mode. Hi Marcus, hello Marcus, hello Marcus. He's still in debug mode, as you can see, so we can just do .d/debug toggle. It's now off. Now when I say hello Marcus, it just says the regular stuff. So yeah, that's just an update on what I was doing. This is the final version of Marcus. So no more Mark 1, Mark 2, stuff like that. And I did sketch a system on my notebook, so yeah, there's that. And that's about it. Let's just commit and push. Changed. I'm too lazy to really put anything there, just put -1. Alright. Yeah. So, actually I just realized when debug mode is on, we're going to want to state when it's defining the nucleus. So what we can do is just indent that and do if debug manager, which is a class I made, dot active. If it's active, then we will print out when it's defined. Same thing with the path manager. If debug manager dot active, then we're going to do that. So now we can say when it's off, you can see when I say hello Mark, hi Marcus, hi Marcus, you can see it says hello Marcus, but when I turn on d/debug toggle, debug mode on, hello Marcus, you can see it's in debug mode. And when I now say a new phrase like what's up, it defines it. Normally it wouldn't return anything, it would just go to the next line. Let's turn it back off. Okay, that's pretty much it. I forgot, I should have just committed it already. I normally would do like a progress on top of a recap, but I need to get up early for school tomorrow, so yeah. So in the comments, we'll just say alert that, actually before we commit, what we should do is say debug defining path, and then state the path. So let's do that here too. Debug. Okay, so now let's commit and push. So, states definitions when debug mode is active. Let's commit and push that. I also got iOS 15. Pretty cool. Alright. Looking good. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And I'll see you guys in the future. I'm not sure when I'm gonna make my next video just because school. So a lot of work. I am in the robotics team though, which is pretty great. So yeah. And I've been attending, and I plan to stick with it throughout the rest of the year. Alright, see ya.